I hope you completed your homework. Now come to the standard 9 subject maths 1 chapter number 1, that is a continue. What is there? I taught you what is a sets. Now come to the type of sets. So first type of a sets is known as a single tone set. Now see here, what is the given? Single. Single means what? One. If the sets having the one element, that is known as a single tone set. For example, A is equal to in the curly bracket 2. So how many elements in the sets? Only one. That's why set A is known as the single tone set. How to read as A is the set of even prime numbers. Now come to the next type, that is a second type, that is known as a empty set. Empty set is also known as the null set. Empty means what? No value. So the sets, if there is not a single element, that is known as a empty set or null set. How to write? Just put the curly bracket. There is no elements, and this is also write the phi. This sign is known as a phi. And how to write? For the example, b is equal to x of x is a natural numbers between 2 and 3. B is equal to, write the curly bracket or 5. See here, 2 and 3. Any natural number is there? No. After 2, it directly comes the 3. That means natural number is a what? 1, 2, 3. So in between 2 and 3, there is a no any natural number. That's why how to write? Set B is equal to curly bracket or phi. Now next type, that is known as a finite set. What is a finite set? That means the sets, the number of elements are the limited and the countable. Limited and countable means what? The sets having, we have to count the number. For example, C is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So all element we are able to count. So that's why it is known as a finite set. Now come to the next, infinite set. Infinite means what? We are not able to count. Otherwise, what we have to say? Unlimited and uncountable. Unlimited and uncountable. That means we are not able to count the elements. For example, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, comma, dash, dash. That means etc. So this we are not able to the count. That's why it is known as an infinite set. Okay, now we start the practice set 1.2. Question number 1. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. So what is the question here? A is equal to x of 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now what we have to do it? We are able to find the x value. So take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? 3x minus 1. Now substitute the x value. Take the x value first 1. So what you will get? 3 1 ja 3. And this minus 1 write down. 3 minus 1 is a 2. That means what? This x value is a only 1. So set A is equal to 1. So what we got the one answer? A is equal to 1. Now come to the B question. 1 is equal to x of x is a natural number, but x is a neither prime nor a composite number. We know the which one is a natural number started from 1 to 3, but 1 is the number, that one is not we have to say prime number, not we have to say composite number. So how to write set B? B is equal to 1. C is equal to is given, x of x is natural number, x is less than 2. Less than 2 means what? So what is a natural number? It is started from the what? N is started from 1, 1, 2 and so on. But here is a what condition they given? X is less than 2. Less than 2 means what? Which value? 1. So what they write? C is equal to 1. So what we got? 1 is a here got, 1 is a here got. Write down this one is a 1, this one is a 2 and this one is a 3. So what we getting the right hand side? Here is a 1, here is a 1, here is a 1. That means what? Set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. Now come to the question. Question number 3. Which of the following are the empty set? Okay, empty set means what? There is a no any elements. That means that is a known as a what? Null set. A is equal to curly bracket A of A is a natural number is smaller than the 0. So we know it is a known as a what? Empty set. Why? The natural number. Natural number is started from where? From the 1 2 3 4 5. That means what? That is a greater than 0. So this whatever statement is given, from that what we have to write? Set A is equal to, there is a no any element, so that is a known as a what? Empty set. Now come to the second. B set is equal to x of x square is equal to 0. Now if I put x is equal to 0. So what we will get? X square. X square means what? 0 square. What is a 0 square? 0. That means 0 is there. So what we write? B is equal to element 0. So what is there? This is a not a empty set. Why? There is a one element is there. That's why it is a not a empty set. Question number 4 is what? Write the sets are the finite or infinite set. Okay, again, finite set means what? Which one we are the count. Infinite set means what? Which one we are not able to the count. Now come to the first question. A is equal to x of x is less than 10. X is a natural numbers. So from here given condition less than 10. So which one is a natural number? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So till 9 is given here. So we are able to count. So which type of a set this one? That is known as a finite set. So what we have to say? Set A is a finite set. Second question. Set of a whole number. Again, how to write? Set B is equal to whole number. It is started from the 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. etc. That means we are not able to count. Not count. That means what? Which type of a set? Infinite set. Very good. Now B set is a what? Infinite set. Now third one, set of apparatus in the laboratory. Okay, you are going for the science experiment. So in a laboratory there are the many apparatus, and that apparatus we are able to maintain the register. So what? That apparatus we are able to count. So this one is a what? Finite set. Your homework is a what? Question number 2. Question number 3, third one. Question number 4, second, third, fourth and seventh. Thank you very much.